Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Juliet Ojako, and I'm here again with another beautiful video on how I installed this butterfly locks. I have a video already on how I made these butterfly locks. They're actually handmade, so I'm going to link in it over up there and also in the description box. So for this style, I'm using a very different braiding pattern or cornrow pattern for it. I've not done this before, so this is my first time trying this pattern, and I have to say it's really nice. It gives off this illusion that you did it single or one by one, if that makes sense. So this whole video is just self-explanatory. Make sure you guys watch to the very end to get every details. That's basically it. So another thing is that for the size of your pattern, it all depends on the size of your crochet hair. If your crochet hair is small or small, yeah, pretty small, you might just decide to part it a lot smaller. If it's big, you have to go bigger, just as you guys can see me here. Because if it's too small, your pattern is too small, your crochet hair won't pass through, and that will be a big problem, and it's end up pulling your hair and all that. So you really don't want that. So that's why I'm parting my big, and at the same time, when you're braiding, you don't have to braid too tight from the root, because you still have to insert this crochet hair through it. So you have to be a little bit loose or braided loosely when you're doing that. So like I said, it's self-explanatory. I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the video and leave a comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think of it, and also subscribe to my channel. Very important, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell like button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that's pretty much it. off some excesses that are sticking out. That's basically it. So I'm just trying to loosen it up, wrap it upwards, and cut. So guys, that's it for this video. Your baby girl is looking all nice and beautiful. I'm so happy with this hair. Honestly, I love it. It's lightweight. It gives off that illusion effect. So I'm pretty much happy with it. No regret whatsoever, and I hope you guys will try it soon. That was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.